we're going to be using this balance to find mass. But in order for us to do that, it's very important that the scale is properly calibrated. To do the calibration, we're going to be using this knob at the front to ensure that the zero here matches up with this line dead on center. So we just simply turn it like this, turn it until it is center. You don't want to be reading the scale from this side because you're going to be exposed to parallax. Neither do you want to be on this side reading the scale. Again, you're going to be exposed to parallax. You want to ensure that you're reading the scale dead on center over this red line. So let's look at how we're going to find the mass for someone. Now, to find the mass, you want to ensure that you remove added weight. There should be nothing in your pocket. You should remove your shoes. If you are wearing a backpack, you want to also remove it. Then you are going to ensure that the scale is properly sanitized. And you want to have the person stand head up, no fidgeting, and you want to do the reading. Now, this is dead on center. This is suggesting that this individual 200 pounds. Now, we know that we cannot represent mass in pounds, so we are supposed to convert it to. Very good. Thank you very much. That's it for finding mass using the balance.